Start first with Sean Munns, a little bit about his story. He was going to the spaghetti factory. He was actually meeting his wife and his two stepchildren to have dinner to celebrate his 13-year-old's birthday. That's when dinner was over. They went their separate ways, went out different exits, and he encountered the shooter.
He protected his wife and those two kids.
Yeah. Sean called them as he ran, wounded, and told them to get far, far away.
They heard the gunshots. They had to run to get to their car, but they're doing really good.
As for Sean, he was on his way out when he heard the cocking of the gun, a voice tell him to die, and then the shooting began.
He's a hero. Just to let you know, he's a hero. Anybody in that building that he ran into could have easily walked right out and walked right into what was just going on. But he went in there to prevent that from happening.
His body riddled with roughly 100 pellets. They can't remove them for fear of infection.
He just has to carry those the rest of his life.
It may be his stature that saved him.
That's a kind of a joke that the doctor said to me. He said, well, good thing you're a big guy.
Had you been a thin man, you probably would have not survived this.
Even in salvation, there is sorrow.
My heart breaks every time I see that story on the news for the other families.
And one of those families, the Tufts and Hinckley family, 44-year-old Carolyn Tufts, is listed here at LDS Hospital tonight in critical condition. And as we heard from Dan's report just a little bit earlier, her teenage daughter, Kirsten Hinckley, was killed in last night's terror. Now, Mark and Shauna, their family did come out and give a statement to the media expressing their grief and their prayers both for their own family and for all families that were involved in this terrible tragedy.